Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
What are the associated malformations with Wilms tumor? So we have different types of associated malformations with Wilms tumor. With Wilms tumor, Badger syndrome, Dennis-Drash syndrome, Beckwith-Wiedemann syndrome. So these three syndromes are associated with the Wilms tumor. First, Badger syndrome. Badger syndrome mainly it has aniridia. Badger syndrome includes one aniridia. Then genital abnormalities are seen and mental retardation. The patient presents with aniridia, that is different colored iris, with genital abnormalities and mental retardation is seen. The risk of Wilms tumor in this syndrome is increased by 33%. In Wilms tumor, it is increased by 33% because this Badger syndrome is associated with WT1 gene deletion, which is present on chromosome 11p13. On chromosome 11p13, this WT1 gene deletion is associated, and as a result, there is increased risk of Wilms tumor is seen by 33% with Badger's syndrome.
thank you and thank you for watching.